Hello everyone, welcome again. Today we are going to solve a security engineer room, which is Microsoft Windows Hardening. It's a really good room. I suggest you to learn this room very well because there are some important general knowledge here, and it would be better if you know and apply these informations, this knowledge. Anyway, let's start with task 1. Here we don't need any answer. Let's continue. Here we have some good questions. Let's start with the first one. What is the startup type of app readiness service in the services panel? The main key here is it talks about services, right? So it will be good if we check our services. To do that, I will open this app and type here services.msc. Yes, and then I will try to find app readiness. Yes, now it came, and as you can see here, we can see app readiness, and startup type for app readiness is manual. So let's continue with our second question. Open the registry editor and find the key TryHackMe. To open registry editor, we have to type regedit and then click enter. Yes. I will search with Ctrl+F, okay, and I will type here TryHackMe because the key is here. The key here is TryHackMe. Let's read the hint. It says you can use the find option register editor. Yes, we are using it. Find text, let's say, and then as you can see, computer, key, current user, software, Microsoft F12, and TryHackMe, and the data for this one is TryHackMe reg flag. Let's read the third question. Open the diagnosis folder and go through the various log files. Can you find the flag? To go to the diagnosis folder, here the location is given. Let's use it. To go to this location, I will go to this PC, local disk, program data, and Microsoft. And here we have diagnosis. Let's say continue. Yes. And as you can see, here we have a flag.txt.txt. We might think that our flag is in this txt file, but when we double click on it, let's say okay, as you can see, inside of this txt file is empty because we do not have the permissions to open this file. To manage these settings, let's right click on flag.txt. And then let's wait for a while. Yes, click on properties, okay, and then come to the security. As you can see, you must have read permissions to view the properties of this object. You see, so we have to change it. We have to have this permission, okay, we must have read permission. Click advanced to continue. Let's click on advanced, and as you can see, you must have read permissions to view the properties of this object. Click continue to attempt the operation with administrative permissions. Let's say continue. Yes, and now we have another screen. So I want to add myself here. So to do that, what is the user of this computer? Let's come to the settings to learn it. Here we have accounts, and then as you can see, it says it's my info. So I'm Harden, my name is Harden. It's a local account and it has administrator privileges, or the type of Harden is administrator. So okay, I got the information. Let's close it and come to here and click on add button and select a principal, and here enter the object name to select. My name is Harden, so type Harden here and then check names to find my original name for this computer, and it is desktop EGATC for Harden. Let's click on OK button, and now I can add permission. Full control, modify, read, write, anyway. So read and execute, or read is going to be enough for this operation. So we can click on OK, then apply, then OK. As you can see now, here permission entries and Harden is in here. Okay, so OK and OK. So again, double click on this file and now you got the flag. Okay, so I think task 2 is finished. Okay, let's continue with task 3. Come here, find the name of the administrator account of the attached VM. We already find it. It was Harden. Come to the settings, and here there are some options. Click on accounts, and here my info, Harden local account administrator. So the answer is for first question is Harden. Go to the user account control setting panel. Okay, let's type here control panel and then go to the system and security, and sorry, I will have to go to do user accounts. Yes, here, and it says it is asking for what is the default level of notification. So change user account control settings or manage another account. Let's click on it. As you can see, the default level of notification is always notify. What does it mean? Always notify me when apps try to install software or make changes to my computer, and I make changes to Windows settings. It is recommended if you routinely install new software and visit unfamiliar websites. So it's a good feature for our Windows security, our machine's security, and the default level of this is always notify. Okay, close it, cancel. Okay, close it too. How many standard accounts are created in the VM? To solve these questions, go to the settings again, come accounts, and email and accounts, and as you can see, accounts used by email, calendar, and contacts. And here we do not have an account. Okay, so standard accounts in this computer don't exist actually. So the answer is 0. Let's move on with task 4. Open Windows Firewall. Okay, to open Windows Firewall you can use your own way, but I will use this run app again and type here wifi.msc. click OK. Okay, Wi-Fi means Windows Firewall, and now I'm in the correct place. Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. And then I will click on monitoring in the left pane. Which of the following profiles is active? Okay, let's click on it. Domain profile, let's check it. Let's make it full screen. Let's do it. When I click on domain profile, and also there is a public profile, and of course there is a private profile. As you can see, in the private profile button it says private profile is active, but for domain and public profiles there is nothing like that. Okay, there is no information about their status, but private profile has an information with its status and it is active, so the answer is private. Find the IP address result for the website. Okay, to solve this question we have to visit the hosts file, and to do that I will open recycle bin again. From here I will go to this PC and I will go to local disk, and then I have to visit Windows, and is it correct? Where was it? Yes, Windows and System 32, and then it has to be drivers. Where is drivers? Here, and then etc, and here I have the hosts file. Let's open it. As you can see, the IP address result for the TryHackMe is this one. You can copy and paste it here. Okay, open the terminal. Let's open it. ARPA, and the related MAC address for this IP address is 6FF. Okay, totally there are 6FF here. Let's visit task 5 here. Okay, we have a good questions here. So to solve these questions, what is the first one? Windows Defender antivirus is configured to exclude a particular extension from scanning. What is this extension? To solve this question, you have to come to this search button and type here Windows Defender or Windows Security. It will be enough too. And then you have to count virus and threat protection. Click on it, and here, as you can see, there is a part like that, virus and threat protection settings. Automatic sample submission is off. Your device may be vulnerable. Go to the manage settings, and here there is an exclusions part. Microsoft Defender antivirus won't scan items that you have excluded. Excluded items could contain threats that make your device vulnerable. So click on add or remove exclusions, and here if you want to add an exclusion you can click on here. You can click here and add a new one, but also you can see the already clicked extensions or already added exclusions here. Okay, and one of them is .ps. It is for PowerShell scripts. Okay, and it will launch in our computer. It's an exclusion. So the answer for first question is .ps. A Word document is received from an unknown email address. It is best practice to open it immediately on your personal computer. Of course, you shouldn't do it. So the answer is nay. It means no. What is the flag you received after executing the Office Hardening batch file? Here on our desktop we have an Office batch file. Let's run it. with administrative privileges. We will wait for this one, so let's move on with task 6. When the answer is ready, we will come back, okay? And here, a security engineer has misconfigured the attached VM and stored a BitLocker recovery key in the same computer. And it's the scenario that you shouldn't do it, okay? You shouldn't store your BitLocker recovery key in your computer. You have to keep it somewhere else, not in your computer. Anyway, the mistake here is actually saving the recovery key in the same computer. Anyway, can you read the last 6 digits of the recovery key? To do that, come here. There is a hint. We will check the documents. So this PC, local disk, or come back here. We have documents. Let's open it. The last 6 digits for recovery key is this one. Okay. How many characters does the BitLocker recovery key have in the attached VM? There are 48 characters in this recovery key. Okay. It's simple to find, to solve. Let's read last question and close it off. Where is my comment line? Okay, it's here. What does it say? Signature update started. Okay. A backup file is placed on the desktop of the attached VM. What is the extension of that file? It is .bkf, guys. The extension of this file is .bkf. Okay. So let's move on with task 7, sorry. What is the CVE score for this vulnerability? You can make a Google search and find it easily. I won't do it. It's easy. You have to copy this CVE number and go to the Google, search for some materials, and then you will find the correct answer. And here, this cheat sheet is really important for beginners or for juniors, actually for everyone. It's a quick summary. There are important steps here for each of Windows part, actually. Identity and access management, network level, application level, and storage. And there are some instructions to make these areas safer. Here, the Windows system program files. Okay, it doesn't work now, but it's not working but the answer for this question, okay, the answer of this question is this one. It's not working now on my computer, but it's simple. You have to launch this file, and then it will start doing some operations, and at the end of this operation you will have a flag. That's it. It will just ask for yes or no. You can type yes because there is a file within the same name, as I remember, in this computer. Anyway, that's it. When you run this bad file, you will get a flag. That's it. No other operations. No need to other operations. But it's not working for now because of probably the problem is about my VirtualBox or my attack box. I don't know. But let's finish it here. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope I could help you. I wish all of you nice days, guys. Take care of yourselves. See you in the next solutions. Goodbye.